You want to know the natural remedies for body and back pains, especially? Then watch till the end of this video, because in this video, I will be sharing with you the 4 natural ways to recover from back pain. Back pain can be both mentally and physically debilitating. It can affect everything that you do from work and exercise to simple everyday tasks. Back pain can be short-term or quickly become a lifelong struggle due to injury or illness. Thankfully, there are natural ways you can alleviate back pain without having to resort to medication. Number 1. Taking anti-inflammatory drinks. Inflammation is a natural response by the body. When your body senses harm, infection, injury, or toxin, it attempts to heal itself. In these instances, cellular destruction then triggers your immune system. The immune system releases antibodies and proteins while increasing blood flow to the affected area. For acute inflammation, the process lasts just a few hours or days. However, for those with chronic inflammation, the body gets so used to the response it stays in a steady state of alert. Research has shown this state can play a role in multiple different conditions, from asthma to cancer. To help reduce the inflammation in your back, keeping an anti-inflammatory diet can help reduce the response and the pain. These are several anti-inflammatory drinks you can drink to stave off pain and inflammation. Turmeric milk. The positive effects of turmeric are utilized across the world, and there is a reason for that. The Asian spice contains an abundance of antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation and ease arthritic pain. Turmeric is available at just about any grocery store in the spice section. To make the milk, simply pour 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric into a glass of warm milk. Sweeten to taste or drink as is. If dairy milk increases inflammation for you, try adding the spice to warm almond milk instead. It is best to drink this at night before bed to allow the antioxidants to work in your body as it rests. Cherry juice. A very accessible and antioxidant-rich drink is cherry juice. When you look for the juice at the grocery store, make sure it is low or free of added sugars and includes tart cherry extract. The extract holds the bounty of anti-inflammatory ingredients. Green ginger tea. Both green tea and ginger are known to decrease inflammation in the body after prolonged consumption. Anti-inflammatory drinks should be free of chemicals and added sugars. Always attempt to eat and drink clean ingredients to keep harmful chemicals from the body. These chemicals can have adverse effects on both inflammation and mental health. Number 2. Have enough sleep and rest. Sleep and rest can be a hard thing to come by in our busy daily lives, and acute or chronic pain only adds to the difficulty. Lying down with a sore back or neck can often feel unbearable. How many times have you been ready for bed? Laid down? And the pain wakes you, keeping you from relaxing and healing the body during those vital sleeping hours? Getting the correct amount of deep sleep and rest is incredibly crucial for not just your back, but your entire body. As your mind rests, your body goes to work, healing and repairing the damage done during your day. When you don't get the rest your body needs, inflammation and pain increases. Helping your body relax quickly and sink into a deep and restful sleep can be tricky without the aid of sleep medications, but the side effects can be harmful. Number 3. Regular intake of water. Water therapy is one of the best forms of exercise and therapeutic support for those with back problems. The buoyancy of the water allows for extended movements with increased support for muscles and joints and less strain on the rest of the body. While this form of exercise is excellent for those who struggle to maintain a land-based therapy due to restraint, it is suitable for any type of back pain. Beyond the gentle resistance, pain tends to stiffen the body due to the mental expectation of pain. That expectation keeps you from fully completing the stretches and therapy. Water therapy allows those pains to reside, and fuller movement helps to get the most out of treatment. That relaxation also reduces the pressure on joints and can lead to a prolonged reduction of pain. But water does not have to be used just for exercise and therapy. It can also be used as the primary source of relaxation for the back. Using warm soaking pools creates a therapeutic effect on the muscles and joints. Number 4. Vitamin D3. Just like calcium, vitamin D is essential to the body. But what exactly does vitamin D do? Vitamin D3 is a fat-soluble vitamin that assists the body in absorbing calcium and phosphorus. Getting enough vitamin D helps to build and maintain strong bones. Vitamin D is naturally made by the body when your skin is exposed to sunlight. Many different things can cause a deficiency, including limited exposure to sunlight, sunblock, protective clothing, and age. A recent peer-reviewed report from Pain Treatment Topics found that the administration of vitamin D may provide relief for up to 95% of patients suffering from back pain. The study stated that inadequate vitamin D intake could result in a softening of bone surfaces, or osteomalacia, which causes pain. The lower back is a focal point for this pain. In one study of 360 back pain sufferers, 95% were found to be deficient in the vitamin. Everyone knows that our bodies need calcium to build strong bones, but what does calcium do for back pain? Beyond being the key to strong teeth and bones, getting the right dose of calcium, paired with vitamin D, can relieve the pain caused by conditions affecting the bone mass and strength. Number 5. Calcium intake. The amount of calcium recommended varies depending on age, but the average milligrams for an adult should be between 1,000 and 2,000. Most people should not take more than 2,000 milligrams per day because too much calcium can cause heart problems and increase the risk of bone fractures. Calcium can be taken orally through supplements, but also can be consumed in everyday foods. Some of the best calcium-rich foods are salmon and canned sardines, dairy, such as non-processed cheeses, milk, and plain yogurt, leafy, green vegetables like broccoli and kale, soybeans and tofu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload new videos.